We're here again with Mr. Clarence Nicolas, just to show you his talent with regards his motor skills niya. Sobrang lakas mag-develop talaga, sobrang bilis. Okay, so tignan natin, no? Hi, Clarence. Can you lift your left hand?
Right yan eh.
Ah, right nga pala. Ano ba yan? Mali naman yung, yung nililift mo. Sorry. Okay, Clarence, can you lift your right hand? Ang galing! Ang galing. Oo. Bakit? Clarence, where's your eyes? There! Oh, ang galing! That's your eyes. Where's your stomach? Ayun! There's the stomach. Galing!
Napagtitripan ka.
Alam niya na kagad at this early stage. Try nga natin. Where's your mouth, baby? There's the... Oh!
There's the string.
Where's the string? Oh, there's... Can you see the string? You can't see the string. Oh, there's the mouth. Woohoo! Baby, tulog ka na. Huwag masyadong malikot. Bye-bye.